Hello and welcome to Zimstek Media. Pan-Africanist and motivational speaker Joshua Maponga says he has been rejected by every sector of society, from South Africa to Zimbabwe, from the church to politics, despite efforts to save. In a strongly worded statement posted online, Maponga narrated years of rejection he says followed him across borders and institutions. I was in South Africa, they told me to go back to Zimbabwe. I did, I came to Zimbabwe, they told me to shut up. The church closed its doors, I spoke to power, they called it a bootlicking. I reached out to opposition, I was not welcome, he wrote. Maponga said his pursuit of spirituality was labeled madness, while reconnecting with the childhood friends was called corruption. He added that his entry into Pan-Africanism was dismissed as being fake. So I ask you, what do you want from me? Because every door I knocked on was a wall. Every hand I extended was a threat. Every breath I took was audited, he said. The speaker concluded that he did not fail the system, but rather the system was built to fail him. Maponga, a founder of the Farmers of Thought movement, has for years pushed the messages of African identity, decolonization and self-reliance. For more stories, please do like and subscribe.